The divisive issue of abortion was front and center at the U.S. Supreme Court today, with the California law being questioned.
In fact, a San Francisco lawmaker authored that controversial measure. ABC 7 News reporter Carolyn Tyler is in the newsroom with the story. Carolyn.
Well, the Reproductive Fact Act was written by Assemblyman David Chiu. California Senators Dianne Feinstein and Kamala Harris filed amicus briefs supporting the law, which passed muster at the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals but is now being challenged at the Supreme Court. The line started forming yesterday outside the Supreme Court, an indication of the interest in this controversial case. The justices are reviewing a 2015 law authored by San Francisco Assemblyman David Chiu. It targets so-called crisis pregnancy centers. Chiu believes this is one on Mission Street that pretends to offer pregnant women a range of options, but is actually anti-abortion. His law requires the clinics make it clear.
These centers are run by extremists who are trying to ensure that women are misinformed and misled and deceived about what reproductive health options they have in the state of California.
But anti-abortion activists like those who march every year in San Francisco say the law forces them to deliver a message they disagree with. Attorney Michael Ferris argued their case before the court today, saying, quote, "When the government decides what people should and should not say, other freedoms are sure to disappear soon after." Courtroom observers described the oral arguments as lively. Justice Anthony Kennedy, often the swing vote, seemed to side with the clinic, saying one of California's notification requirements seemed like, quote, "an undue burden." Liberal justices also questioned the law. Sonia Sotomayor called one provision, quote, "burdensome and wrong." According to Assemblyman Chiu, the intent of the Reproductive Fact Act is simple.
The state of California is trying to provide factual and timely information to pregnant women.
And the Supreme Court decision is expected in June. In the newsroom, Carolyn Tyler, ABC 7 News.